Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that each and every one of you are here today with me. Today we're going to be having a little bit of a knitting tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to do a purl through the back loop when the stitch before that, when there's two stitches that you're going to be purling through the back loop together. And one of those stitches is a yarn over. It's a little bit tricky. There's a regular way, and then there's another way. I've often found in knitting that there is more than one way to do a stitch. So here's going to be a way, the way that most people do it, and a modification in case you have trouble with that. So let's give it a watch, and don't forget to tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and or if you have any questions. I'm working this pattern, the International Lace Scarf, for it says October, but this is really May's clue. And there's a stitch in here, and it's a little tricky. Basically, I'm on the wrong side. I have to do purl 2 stitches together through the back loop. And this first stitch is a yarn over. So it's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you how you would normally do it. And then there's a trick way to do this. And I've never tried the trick way, but I wanted to try it and show you guys, because I always believe there's more than one way to do something. So to do purl 2 together through the back loop, normally you would turn your yarn like this, slip your needle through both of those stitches through that back loop. So can you see that? Like that. And then just purl and pull your yarn through both of those stitches, pull it off the needle. That's a purl 2 together through the back loop. It looks a little wonky because of that first stitch was a yarn over, but that's how you do it normally. Alright, so give me 1 second and we'll do the new way. Okay, I'm back to the point where I have to purl these 2 stitches together through the back loop, and the first stitch is a yarn over. So here's the new way, method number 2, to do a purl through the back loop. Just in case you're having difficulty with the other one, purl the first stitch, that is the yarn over, slip it back. After you purl it, slip it back to the right hand needle, take the next stitch that you were going to knit it together with and pass it over and off the left hand needle over that stitch, that purled stitch, then slip it back to the right hand needle. And that's another way to do a purl 2 together through the back loop. Let's see what it looks like. I believe, alright, I was wrong. This is the stitch I just did the special way, the purl 2 together through the back loop. And the stitch that I wanted to compare it to, this is the purl 2 together through the back loop, yet the original way. So they really do look similar. They're both 2 stitches leaning to the left. So if you do have trouble with knitting 2 stitches together through the back loop like the original way, that is a great way to do this stitch if you have trouble with that. So just FYI, it's good to have options. Alright, thank you for watching those clips. I hope you have enjoyed them. Let me know what you think about the modified method. I think when you put them side by side, I really can't tell a difference. The modified method is pretty easy actually, so I think I'm going to give it a try every now and then and just see what I think about it even more. If you are new here and you are not a subscriber but like talking about knitting and crochet, we would love to have you join our family, so please press that subscribe button and join our family, and we would love to just learn more about you and talk about knitting and crochet with you. And to all my members who are here time and time again, thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching all these videos and connecting with me. I love learning more about you, and I appreciate each and every one of you for being here every time. Thank you.